You guys, this is the first time that I'm making anything DIY, so I'm super excited about it. My sister is actually helping me film. If you don't know, she has a channel. Hi! So she's actually here visiting New York City. Like I said, it's the first DIY that I'm making, and I'm super excited, and it's a Rosewater facial spray that I use every single day. I'm not even lying, at least 3 times a day. So let's get started. Here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need distilled water, which I put in a pretty pot, it's so pretty. Number 2, you're gonna need some witch hazel. You can get it for really inexpensive at your local health food store. Wow. Vegetable glycerin, and to be honest, this is gonna last you for a really long time. And then next, of course, you're gonna need roses. And I really like the color. You can use any color that you want. I kind of wanted a little bit of that rose in there, but I didn't want it red deep. So I went with this beautiful pink rose. Yeah. So the next thing that you're gonna need, I personally prefer glass bottles, so you can reuse yours. Just make sure that you clean them before you actually before you actually refill them. And also, you can make 2 batches. You can make one for your actual like beauty, bathroom, wherever you use it like daily, and you can also use a small one, travel with, and kind of refresh your makeup or whatever. However, I wanted to go a little extra for you guys. So I went with this. So this is a perfume spray bottle. This is gorgeous. I think it just looked really pretty up on my makeup vanity area, and it was $12.99 from H&M Home. Then you're obviously gonna need something to boil the petals in. You're gonna need a strainer, some sort of pouring receptacle or a funnel, and something to catch the water. Start by gently pulling off the buds from the stem. Week-old roses will work as well. You want to make sure to wash off your rose petals with some cool water and just kind of get any kind of dirt or grime, debris, maybe little bugs. Strain it, and then it's ready to be boiled. You want to put your distilled water into a pot. You want to put enough water in there that the petals are submerged. You want to boil for 20 to 30 minutes. The petals should end up transparent. Then strain into a container. You guys, the rose water has cooled down. Let's get started. So number 1, I want to make sure that you guys all know to make small batches in the beginning. You want to kind of test out what your skin likes. Currently, it's the end of summer, beginning of fall, and I'm gonna go with this mixture. I'm gonna do half rose water, half witch hazel, and half a teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Now, I wanna put it out there that if you want an extra glow, go with just a little extra vegetable glycerin. You start in small batches so you can kind of see what your skin likes. Don't be in a rush, you really wanna get your mixture right. For those of you, like I said earlier, that want extra glow, that's what the vegetable glycerin is gonna do. It's a humectant, so it's going to attract and keep whatever moisture you put on your skin. It's gonna keep it on there. You are going to love this. Again, mess around with your mixture. I always change mine up throughout the year. For now, we're gonna do 1 part rose water, 1 part witch hazel, half a teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Mix it all up. Now let's pour it into our beautiful little bottle. I'm so excited about this bottle, you guys, you don't even know. It's so bougie. I don't have a funnel, but if you want your life to be easy, use a funnel. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm gonna lay this in my beauty area. I actually keep one in the bathroom, and I keep a small little like travel spray bottle in my purse, or I switch it up throughout my purses. But I love it. I hope you guys enjoy. You can mix up your recipes. There are a ton of different things that you can add. So that does it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please write down in the comments if you make this. Send me pictures. You can send them to me on Twitter. You can send them to me on Instagram, Snapchat. I'll list it all down below, but I really hope that you guys make this and let me know how your spray turns out and how much you love it. This is Karina wishing you all to be happy, healthy, wealthy, and wise. Bye! Mwah. Hey loves, Scotty here. I should just dig in. I think I'm just gonna do that. Woo! I'm very interested to get my hands on that one. Just look at that. Incredible. I don't even want to put a brush in there.